Hi, the topic of our presentation is band selection technique with using discrete range and MaxPooling operation for hyperspectral pixel classification. Presenter Duhyuek Chang in University. I will divide my presentation into 5 parts. First, study overview and abstract. Second, dataset. Third, proposed methods. Fourth, experiment and result. Last, summary. For study overview and abstract, hyperspectral image has more information than general RGB image and is used for object and method exploration and mainly mounted on drone as video equipment. However, processing hyperspectral image requires high performance computing, has an efficiency problem in low power embedded system. An embedded system for reducing the amount of image information and the size of operation by the method for extract or selecting data necessary in order to analyze the high spectral image video information. The exact feature selection technique of hyperspectral image is a heuristic which takes a long time and is difficult to analyze according to wavelengths. Band selection is not only applied to one region but also to other regions because its generality and universality. To make up for this, we try to minimize the loss analytical performance by reducing the time required by analyzing the amount of MaxPooling operation and discrete ranges. Experiment results show that the proposed method is much faster than the existing band selection, and the performance accuracy is similar even though the number of bands has reduced to 20%. Then dataset hyperspectral image. The video using the sensor we take that continuous spectral show the characteristic of the object of 100 spectral channel. Hyperspectral image processing. It is the technology that extracts picture in from the high spectral cube to dimensional image information according to spectrum band of electromagnetic wave by adding its spectral technology to spectral information. Data analysis. Band with similar factor for each hyperspectral image band has similar distribution configuration, and the wide distribution between curves provide performance separate with good band for pixel classification. Those proposed methods. First, band with a similar factor for different high spectral image band also have similar distribution configuration. Then categorize band into set with discrete range of minimum and maximum by band. Third, randomly select each subset to double down the dimension of candidate through the pooling operation. For reduce candidate band to run the test with reduced ground truth using classifier only 30% of running. Let's percenter between height predict image performance and ground truth select the candidate band with the lowest noise. For experiment result, the classifier is the result 5 tests average by applying the K neighbor classifier, DI above the graph, DI using discrete range, MC using discrete range, and MaxPooling operation. SA simulated annealing original using entire band. The size of high spectral image determine the algorithm application time and the file size. Application times are proportional to data. In this case of Indian pine, it is applied with 3 to 5 minutes, but in this case, Papua University is takes more than 30 minutes. However, it has discrete high rate, but by about 1/3 to 1/9 times compared to conventional techniques. Its performance has improved further. Last summary. In this study, the band is classified by proposed methods as a technique that complement the highly complication time of the existing band selection simulated annealing algorithm. A method of selecting representative values for each classified band set was proposed. Through experiment, we can verify for good feature selection about the object or picture regardless of wavelengths, and can analyze not only apply to many religions but also has short application time. In the future, experiment will be conducted simultaneously to compare in detail the power consumption and time required for multi-thread application and embedded device. Thank you.